one of the hardest parts of starting a YouTube channel is actually not coming up with the content ideas, filming and editing the content. Editing a YouTube video is actually not that hard. If you're a new YouTuber here, you will agree with me that coming up with a YouTube thumbnail concept or designing a thumbnail for your video is much harder than just filming the content itself. So now, being that we now live in a world where AI have made so many things so much easier for content creators, right? YouTubers are not being left out. So I recently came across this particular AI tool that helps me to generate my thumbnails in less than 5 minutes. You guys trust me to always bring solutions to our frustrations as beginner YouTubers, Abby. Okay, so there's no need for too much long talk because me trying to explain to you now might feel as if I'm trying to promote it. But let me just go and show you guys how it is done, how easy and how fast you can actually generate your thumbnails using this particular AI tool. All right, so let's just go. Okay, so let's just go straight into generating the thumbnail for this particular video that I'm making right now. All you need to do is to go to your web browser. When you get to your web browser, just type www.thumbs.ai. Then you search for that. It's going to bring you to this particular website. This is the AI tool that we're going to be using for on this video. All right, so you're going to see a lot of things here. You're going to see already image generate thumbnail that people already generated with this particular tool. So this is all they are going to do. So when you click on the three dots, three lines by your right side, you're going to see different things like explore, text to image, recreate thumbnail, AI facial expression generator. This one helps you to generate any kind of expression that you want on your face. AI face clone channel style. This is when you have, a particular channel, just copy the URL of that video, come and paste it. You're going to create exactly the same thumbnail that is on that particular channel video. All right. You're going to see pro design effect, thumbnail learning and using skill. This is what will teach you how to use all the tools on this particular AI tools. All right, so you're going to see pricing and affiliate. So because I already have an account, I'll just click on login. But if you do not have, because you are still starting afresh, you have not created an account first, you're going to see where it says start for free. So this gives you few days of free trial. Then you will now figure out if this is worth your money or not. So let me just log into my own account. So once I log in, there are three ways that this app can help you generate thumbnail. The first one is for you to create text to thumbnail. This is when you input your prompt, then it will now generate the thumbnail for you. Please, if you're someone who doesn't know how to come up with your prompt, you don't know how to prompt AI, what you need to do is go to ChatGPT, tell ChatGPT everything about your video and the concept you have for your thumbnail or anything about your video. Just tell ChatGPT to generate a prompt for you to be able to paste it here in order to generate this particular thumbnail. So the second way you generate thumbnail is to create thumbnail, maybe image to thumbnail. You see a thumbnail you like on YouTube, you just screenshot it, bring the image here, it will recreate that exact email for you. The third one is YouTube thumbnail template. This is where you just choose a template of your choice and you just, paste your image on that particular template. All right. So now let's generate the thumbnail for this particular video. So what we're going to do is I'm going to click on the text to thumbnail because that's what I'm going to be using. I'll click on text to thumbnail. So now you're going to see where it says enter your thumbnail prompt or describe your video. I've already generated my prompt on ChatGPT, so I just go straight to ChatGPT and copy my prompt. Let me go to ChatGPT. This is my prompt. I'll just copy my prompt from ChatGPT and come back to this place. Then I will paste it. I've already pasted my prompt. So now what I need to do now is add your face. If you want your face to be on the thumbnail, I want to add my face. I'm going to add my face. This is if you want to create any kind of emotion with this. If you want to create any facial expression with this, you're going to choose here. You're going to original face. You're going to choose a video, a picture from your gallery. I'm going to choose this particular one. Okay, so now this is the image I'm going to use to generate this thumbnail. So now that I've added that, the next thing I'm going to do is to I'm going to choose a reference, a style that I want, what I want the thumbnail to look like. So let's find what I want the thumbnail to look like. What? Let's choose any of these. Let's choose any of these. All right. So now the aspect ratio for this is 16:9 because it's a YouTube video. Assuming it's a short now, you just choose 9:16. So let's generate the thumbnail and see what it's going to look like. Normally, I like to add my image by myself on CapCut, but because the sake of this video, let's generate everything so that you guys will see how this whole tool work and how easy it is to generate your thumbnail. So it's actually loading 6%, 8%. Let's see. How else would you guys know that I'm in Nigeria if not from my network? Okay, so this is what he actually gave us. This is actually quite good. So if you do not like the outcome of your thumbnail, you can actually go to ChatGPT, reprompt it, and then, change the, reprompt it to change the outcome of the thumbnail. And this is actually so good. This is really so good. Let me download this. You see where you want to download? Let me just download this one. It is actually very good. This is good. So now, and that is how you generate your thumbnail using this particular video. All right, so this is what my thumbnail looks like. I'll just upload my video and paste it on it. You can reprompt until you get the exactly. So that's basically how you use Thumb AI to generate your YouTube thumbnails in less than 5 minutes. All right, so if you're a new YouTuber who still struggles with coming up with your thumbnail, or you're someone like me who does not like to design thumbnails, you might definitely want to go and check this particular AI tool out, because this will save you hours and hours of you trying to come up with a thumbnail concept or thumbnail design. Yet it saves you from thinking, oh, which font should I use, which color should I match with this and this. It saves you all that. It saves you all that stress. All right, so I'll be putting the link and the details in the description box so that you'll be easy for you to just click on it and go straight to the website to go check this out. And please, just like every AI tool, this is not free. But the good part is that you get to use this app for some time, you get to use this tool for some time, and now decide, oh, whether this is so worth your money or it is not worth it. All right. But trust me, it is worth it. It is so worth it. The fact that I can generate my thumbnail now without spending 2 days on it, it's a miracle to me. That's a miracle to me. And yeah, that's all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like this video and give me a follow, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.